Thank you very much indeed. Akwaaba. It's a pleasure to join you today to celebrate the 69th anniversary of independence for Ghana. And the Civic Mayor has already listed the great sense of achievement. I think for me, as the elected Mayor of Croydon, it's wonderful to see everything that's before us here today, the colour, the community, the vibrancy, the noise, and that is the Ghanaian community and what you bring to our borough. You bring vibrancy to our borough and you bring so much more. You are a part of our local society, you form part of our education, our healthcare, our faith groups, our community life, and bring so much more to Croydon. And probably most importantly, of course, is jollof rice. So every year we have to have the debate about whether it is Nigerian, and I see cola in the background. But whether it is Ghanaian jollof. And of course today it's Ghanaian jollof. It's the best jollof. It's wonderful to see so many of you here today. Medaze. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.